Impact of earthquake epicenter distance on the failure of the embankment, a seismic prediction. Crack in clay soil cause a reduction in seismic loading capacity which can lead to structural failure. Seismic acceleration is the primary cause of crack propagation and damage on the Earth's structure. This study investigated the impact of the earthquake epicenter distance on the embankment model with a pre-existing crack in embankment core. The research adopted the numerical modeling method of soil characterized as a non-tensile material to explain displacement in selected points of the model using the extended finite element method. Artificial neural networks were used to predict displacement obtained by extended finite element method. It was observed that the failure pattern and the maximum displacement time to the model change with the associated distance of the earthquake epicenter. The key study objective is to understand the model failure mode and introduce a new classification in earthquake damage prediction. Thank you.